Within 2 minutes, spontaneously. After that, my nose bleeds, and after 3 minutes, we die.
Yeah.
Yeah. When did you arrive? London, bang, Philippines. When?
Yesterday,
Oh, yesterday. How long will you stay here?
he is a clubman only for 4 days.
Yeah, and then after 4 days, you will be going there.
No, I'm going to my province.
Pangasinan. Oh, what is your main purpose in coming here? Are you a member of visiting forces? Terrorism?
Sorry?
Terrorism?
Maybe.
Age carrier? What is your main purpose in coming here?
Asian, visit my family.
Ah, you do not have class there? Do you school there?
Yeah.
What grade?
Secondary college.
Secondary college?
Wow.
How old are you?
I'm turning 17 on the 3rd of March.
Well, I don't care.
70 tapos finish na.
What airlines did you ride from UK to here?
Sorry?
What airlines? Listen carefully. What airlines did you ride?
I took 2 planes. First British Airlines and then Philippine Airlines.
Well, thank you very much. You're patronizing our official carrier. Thank you. In going back, Philippines, UK when?
5th of March.
FIFA match. What's FIFA match? It's a good. What's a FIFA match? Oh, simply say March 5. FIFA match. Something word.
Say it in
Yeah.
reading.
That's how you know how to speak Waray?
A little bit.
A little bit. Tagalog.
Of course.
Oh, I'm very happy because when you speak Tagalog, you can talk all over the people here in the Philippines. Whenever you go in the Philippines, you can, as long as you know how to speak Tagalog, you can communicate. But now you are in Tacloban, we are speaking Waray-Waray. You should know how to speak Waray so that you can be you can communicate.
I'll get back to you later. Yeah.
Sampahin mo nga ako. A little, what Waray specifically?
Sorry?
What term in Waray you know?
Waray.
Waray batasan?
Ano na nila?
What does it mean?
What's up?
You liar.
Ano na?
Ano na? Oh. You know what's handsome, what's beautiful in Waray-Waray? You know what's beautiful in Tagalog?
Maganda.
In Waray-Waray?
No.
Oh, I will teach you. Huh? Bear in mind. Yeah. Say, beautiful, maganda, pichido. Waray-Waray, maganda, pichido. You say, ikaw, pichido.
Ikaw.
Oh, that's, you are beautiful. Oh. Why are you laughing? What is funny?
It sounds funny.
Oh, Fanny Serrano? This is hairdresser. Have you heard, when you go back, what airlines you're going to ride?
Philippine Airlines and British Airways.
Oh, British Airways. You know what? I was once a flight attendant at British Airways. Yeah. How would you like if you're gonna ride Asian Spirit? Huh? You know what, Asian Spirit? I am the booking agent. I will give you 50%. You could hear me in an international airport. Give me an echo, please.
Okay, so when I come back on Christmas,
Yeah.
give me
If you could hear this voice, that's me.
okay.
Thank you for riding Asian Spirit. You will fly here as Asian, you will land there as a spirit. Yeah, that's how. Because you know what?
Simbak ko.
My nose starts to bleed already. I haven't seen monetary unit of UK. How would you like if you gonna let me see?
Maybe if I come back,
When?
I don't know.
You can go home now. You call. You need. Because I will come back next year. This is my last set here. Oo. Ha? Nakikialam dyan.
Alam pa kilamanan.
When somebody is talking on stage, you have to keep quiet. Because this is under observation. Paano ka ginakasan ang babaeng ito? Is it by force? Ayan. Anyway, Are you going to sing this, Shirley Manley?
Can you sing it for me?
I'm sorry, I don't even know this song. Even the title is my first time I hear the title.
Can you try?
Practicean mo.
I'm not a scientist because a scientist is keep on trying to.
Who knows the song?
Anybody knows the song, you will be given prize. What is the prize? Pricey gas?
Oh, alam na namin yan.
I don't know pa. I don't know. In fairness.
Pero medyo kalahati lang.
Uh,
Oh, yeah.
This is only 200. We will sing one half. Anyway, we have 24 hours withdrawals here. How would you like? I will go with you.
Withdrawal.
What did I say? Oh my God. Myself. Sorry. I'm practicing my English. I just text you. alam niyo to?
Okay,
Ikaw.
medyo.
Okay, we will try. It would be better if you're gonna sing with us. Okay, that's fine.
I'll try.
Ladies and gentlemen, fresh from UK, Ukay. Yeah, United Kingdom. Kingdom of United Nations.
I'll be your dream, I'll be your wish, I'll be your fantasy. I'll be your hope, I'll be your love, be everything that you need. I'll love you more than every breath you leave, everything you do.
It's just like an nursery rhyme. Kaya mo na yan. You can make it.
I'll make a wish to say everything will survive. Tears and joy no longer ashes and fantasy. We will survive and fight and conquer. Life is flowers, but lonely hours. If you but you, I wanna stand with you on a mountain. I wanna dance with you in the sea. I wanna live like this forever
Alexander.
until the sky comes down on me. Oh, can't you see it, baby? Let's close your eyes. It's standing right here for you. All that you need will surely.
Ave Maria Purísima. You know that?
Is that Spanish?
The Spanish term, you sing well.
I'll be your dream, I'll be your wish, I'll be your fantasy. I'll be your hope, I'll be your love, be everything that you need. More than every victory and every do. I wanna stand.
Wala pa. very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for such a good sport.
Thank you so much for being a good sport like Kathleen po ng basketball.